Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to link a Stripe payment method to WooCommerce store. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I'm on this reputable website known as Cloudways. So I'm going to show you guys how to link a Stripe with WooCommerce store. So make sure that you have set up SSL on your WooCommerce store. SSL provides a secure encrypted tunnel for data transfer that is vital for sensitive customer information. Cloudways customers can add free SSL via Let's Encrypt directly from their platform. So if you're using Cloudways, you can just add it directly. So to integrate Stripe with WooCommerce with the Stripe WordPress plugin, create an account with Stripe and then follow the steps below. So just get the Stripe API keys. So log in into your Stripe dashboard and navigate to the get your API key section, and then install Stripe WooCommerce plugin. It should say WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway, and install and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is activated, go to its settings for configuration. So this will take you to the WooCommerce payment settings. Now you just have to configure Stripe WooCommerce plugin. So inside the payment setting tab, add the publishable and secret keys copied earlier from the Stripe dashboard. So generate webhook secret key by adding the webhook endpoint inside your Stripe dashboard. So after adding the endpoint, copy the webhook signing secret and add it inside the WooCommerce Stripe plugin settings. You can also define the text and color of the payment button here, enable payments from Apple Pay and enable bug logging. And then you just have to test the WooCommerce plugin on your WooCommerce store. So it's that simple guys. You just have to install the plugin and set it up with your security API key on your WooCommerce store. So yeah guys, just install the Stripe WordPress plugin and then just put in your API key, and this is how you set up Stripe on your WooCommerce store. So if you found this video to be helpful guys, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.